thunderstorm warning for central Franklin County, Ohio, western Licking County, for 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grove City, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Bexley, Pawhuska, Minerva Park, Ohio University, Easton, Whitehall, New Albany, Grandview Heights, Ovette, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Port Columbus Airport, and Lincoln Village. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 99 and 114.